I'm videotaping.
This is not safe. If you drop this phone,
you gotta go that way. Oh! Where is he? There you go.
Yay! Driving on. Having your phone on in the water is insane. You guys dived up to the whole whale far away. Sure. Oh, shoot, this big one. Oh, shoot, big one.
Woo! There you go. You did it! Oh my goodness.
I know. Woo! Yeah, like pigeons. Oh, he dropped it. And speaking of pigeons, that is amazing.
My turn.
Jeez, that is amazing. Oh my God, it's a little scary.
Dad, no.
Gotta get a bigger piece.
Dad, you're gonna fall.
That is amazing. Be careful, Jay. Yeah.
They just disappear. Whoosh!
Yup, they just grab it. Throw it up higher. Oh, isn't that amazing? Wow.
Let me feed them.
A little bit more.
Catch me.
Oh, okay. Here you go, baby. Here you go.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Alright, guys. There we go.
No, they won't come. You gotta throw it, and then they catch it in their mouth. Isn't that amazing?
You're not having that. Hold on.
Oh no.
Here's let's take a little bit.
Oh my Lord.
To watch them fly.
All right, I was about to fall again. All right.
Alrighty.
Yeah, throw it up, throw it up, throw it up. You gotta throw it up. They're not gonna come to you. See? Do you see that? It goes right in their mouth. Oh, that's amazing, Steve. That the pigeon's getting that one. They just catch it in their mouths. That's amazing. Isn't that amazing? Oh, I feel so bad. He got it, yay. All right, I need to pee. I'm gonna die. Oh, what's that?
Oh, so right here we have our Big Al. I get a problem. We have Mr. Big Al. Big Al's big 12-foot long, 1,000-pound American alligator whale. The apex predator. I say have Mary Kate now. She was a good female alligator as well. Over here with these white, brown, spotted cows, these are what we call the Texas Longhorn. Texas Longhorn, of course, comes from Texas. That all black and white bear out there is a Here's some these deer coming up right here. These are what we call the world. See that little piggy cow on get them up on the ball.
Oh, well, you're on that side.
Right here, watch the ball. They can sit it over there.
Feed them?
No, there's more, a lot of them are coming from over there. Hey, you want more? You want more?
Okay.
Hi. How you doing? Oh, he's going for you.
Oh,
Steve.
no.
He's so
Abby, you gonna feed? You gonna stand up and feed?
Must be a girl.
What the heck is it?
You know what point is about the same as the deer pound? For these animals, antelopes actually grow up antlers. Now, how many people can actually say they can walk up and do this to a hill guy?
Do they have?
He's really crazy. He's just actually blind in one eye. So he can only see out one eye.
Whoa.
Oh, shoot, here they play.
Man.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Hold on, he was really good at picking mothers too, so you gotta hold on to that boat tightly.
Oh.
Oh, you actually heard they have a larger than our bird family. They males get about 6 foot tall.
Wow.
8 to 6 foot tall, and females. Swamp buffalo now.
Aw. Here's another one.
Call him a little rocker.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't
Wow.
think I'm gonna hold it.
You can do it.
They're like, feed more! Feed
I'm
more!
done.
There you go, Zoe.
Give me.
Oh, that's it. You guys are done. Holy
Crap.
moly.
I know.
Hey, likes to roll over in the hay. Hey, hey! Now, because if you don't, he's gonna stick his head inside to take the bowl. This is Buffalo Bill.
Yup. He's licking the pole. He's like,